Hey homeowners, how are you all? Before anything, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and show us some love. And of course, stay tuned as we announce this week's giveaway prize and last week's winner. So today on MF Home TV, we're gonna show you how to make a classy outdoor dining area. First thing you gotta do is to find the perfect spot in your backyard or in your garden. Just make sure it has good lighting and it has absolutely no mosquitoes. Once the table and the surroundings are ready, all you have to do now is set the table. Yay! Basic things you need are table runners and dinnerware. Now for the table runner, it should, and I repeat, it should drop at each side of the table. Not too long because it makes the table look sloppy, and not too short because it will lose its defining purpose on the table. Trust me when I say that it will get lost with all you have. Ideally, 6 to 12 inches of material should hang over the edges. To make your outdoor dining eco-friendly, please avoid using paper plates and use ceramic plates and food storages instead, like these, so it can be used for several times. I know that it gets tiring to wash utensils, and we want to skip that part by using plastic, which we could simply dispose after dinner. But please, please, please think of the ocean and minimize your plastic use. Choose stainless or silver knives, forks, and spoons. Drinkware should not be your regular thin drinking glass. There are drinking glasses made for the outdoors. Nobody wants a broken glass when somebody accidentally elbows your drink. Lastly, the DECOR. Candles will set the mood and prevent the flies. Botanicals will give the table life, and throw pillows will give accent to your chairs. We're done and dinner is served. Don't forget to hit the like button and share us your comments on the comment section below. And most important of all, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. This is me, Bianca, for MF Home TV, inspiring your home.
Congratulations to last week's winner.
Here's this week's prize.